Nandito kami today. We went boating yesterday. And this is a, meron silang ano. Yan. Parang ano siya. Mud house. Toilet nila. Ito ang kusina dito eh. Kusina, o yan. Kami nagpark kahapon. Toilet doon. Itong entrance. Dito kami. Ayan o. Bayo. Dami kami. Mga 23 to 25 tao. And then we come here. Set up namin yun. Yan. Tayo.
Wala ako dito ah.
Yan.
Protein.
Mga ka-warriors. Yan. Sige yan. Yan, mga followers din sila eh. Tayo nagluluto tayo dito. Sarap ng food dito. Tignan mo. Yun eh. The best.
Ano yan siya?
Ayun sa'yo. Yan. So, he's from Korea. He's our back. Yeah. This is where we are today. On the edge. Ito ang edge namin. So, it's a nice day. It's actually not very cold. Hey, Elsie. Yeah? He's very friendly. He's very friendly, isn't he? And God made him too.